At this point, we're going to go over how to add assignments. So you'd click on the course that you want to add the assignment in. From here, I would go to the actual word assignments. From there, I would click the plus sign that says add assignment, basically. There it goes. Okay, so let's do a sample assignment. Create a journal entry about a book you read today. At this point, you can add as much explanation as you'd like inside this text box. So from here, you can assign it how many points that you'd like. Your assignment group would be
assignments, or you want to make groups, but I would just say leave your assignment group as assignments.
Okay. Leave your at this point, you'd like
Joe, we gotta tighten up.
I'm losing it. All right, here we go. At this point, under assignment groups, it's recommended to just leave it as under assignments. Now, when you display your grade, you can display it as many different ways. For example, a percentage, complete or incomplete, a letter grade, GPA scale, or not even graded at all. In this case, we're going to leave it as a percentage. Now, you can also not count the assignment towards the final grade if you wanted. So under submission type, you have several options. You may not even have the student submit it, like a practice type of situation. They can submit it online through the learning management system Canvas. You can actually have them send it via paper or an external tool. Easiest and most common way is either online or on paper. So let's use the online format. Here are your options for the online submissions. You can submit it as a text entry, a website URL in which they would paste the URL, a media recording in which if they were recording something, they would send it that way, and then also a file upload. You can also restrict the type of uploads. So say, for example, you only wanted it in a .docx, a Word file. You can restrict it like that. So your group assignments, you can say this is where you can decide whether it's an entire group assignment and have peers review it. This assignment section works as the other assigned sections. You can, if you click on it, you can assign it to certain students in the class, maybe as an extra credit, etc. You can decide when it's due, and then you can decide for whoever you assign it to when this quiz will be available and when it's not going to be available. And at this point, we're going to click Save and Publish. Okay, so at this point, we want to add the assignment to the module. So from here, if I click Modules, under Week 1, if I click the plus sign and I say Assignment, not any of these because we just created that specific assignment, you'll note the Create a journal entry about the book you read today, and then you can click Add Item. And again, in review, you can move this anywhere you want by going to the side, and as it turns into like a crosshairs or arrows, you can move it up or down the module any way that you seem fit.